everyone, welcome to CVR News lead story of the day. Well, this is Havira Kuttapalli. Well, we have Mr. Sudhakar Sharma with us. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma. Good evening.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on live, sir. Well, actually, we are talking about the new strain of coronavirus, sir. Firstly, I would like to ask you, well, what is this new strain virus and, how is it more lethal compared from the previous one?
Yes, this is a good question to start our discussion.
Right.
Because of late we have been hearing so many reports that this particular strain of virus has been really causing waves. It is sending alarm everywhere, especially across the Europe, mainly in Great Britain and in Austria, Italy, and now it is moving to other places also in Europe. So
also it is affecting only in European countries, right?
Countries. That is the wonder, because they are really mapping out why this particular mutation is taking place only in Europe.
Right.
It is a very interesting and scientific question.
Right.
And scientists are not in a position to exactly trace out why this has been happening, but some believe that the extreme cold climate of the Europe may be one of the reasons why this particular type of mutation is happening only at a localized point.
Right.
And the virus is really smarter enough to adjust and adapt itself to different climatological types. We have seen that it is affecting many other places across the world.
Right. Well, just when the world was beginning to think that with a vaccine in sight, the pandemic situation may come under control, a newly identified strain of the virus left countries puzzled once again. UK government recently announced they have found a highly contagious new variant of the virus circulating in England. Well, also, sir, I would like to ask you, well, actually, it is a time to talk about the vaccines, right? But then suddenly this new strain coronavirus has come upon. So will vaccines help this new strain coronavirus?
Definitely, because the study has been very clear that this particular vaccines which we are developing presently are really effective against this new variant of this coronavirus also.
Right.
Because they find that only the spike part of that virus, that protein alone is getting some kind of mutation, while the rest of the genetic sequence is remaining same.
Right.
So the vaccine will definitely affect it, and it will really be in a position to hold it without making further mutations or change. So it will be definitely be effective against containing the coronavirus, and people need not panic at this stage, because the whatever mutation has taken place is very, very slight.
Right.
So we haven't seen any particular replication which is totally different from the sequence which the protein was carrying earlier. That is when it was discovered earlier.
Well, and citing the rapid spread in London and surrounding areas, Prime Minister Boris Johnson also imposed the country's most stringent lockdown. As we also know that Boris Johnson had decided the lockdown again in London. He
has ordered for the complete shutdown, and he has given a kind of a tier 4 restriction, which is very severe because it allows only the emergency services.
Right.
And the rest will be completely shut down, and there will be no human interaction, and there will be no kind of work permit for anyone except the frontline warriors and for those who are really taking care of the civic communities.
Right.
Only those will be allowed. So tier 4 is something very strictest, and that has been implemented in southeastern parts of England.
Right.
And it has been moved to other parts also gradually. and now tier 3 is getting upgraded to tier 4 also. It is like that.
Right. Also, I would like to ask you, well, what is the uniqueness of this new strain coronavirus? And also, I would like to ask you, well, everyone were discussing about the vaccine, right? So they were creating a vaccine for the coronavirus.
Yes.
Now it has become a new strain coronavirus. So will it be a change in the vaccination, or how will it be?
Definitely, this particular strain of virus is completely, in a sense, it is a different variant of what we have seen earlier.
Right.
What we have seen in India also.
Yeah.
We have been treating patients with some kind of variation. But
Right.
now this virus has moved to other parts of the country.
Specifically European countries, right?
Europe. And there it has gained a kind of complete change in its genetic sequence, and it is proving really lethal because it is able to spread fast.
Right.
So it is called a super spreader.
Right.
This super spreading quality has come to it only because it has changed its spike very differently.
Right.
This virus is completely, it's very intelligent.
Right.
It is able to control that part of the system which will hook itself to the host.
Right.
So it has taken the help, it has taken a kind of internal alignment whereby the spike is completely modified, and this helps it to have a better hook over the human beings.
Right. Also, at this point of time, people are getting relaxed. They are like, we are getting a vaccine right now. But then again, people started panicking about this new strain coronavirus, right?
Actually, right through this year, we were really down. Entire
Right.
world was down with this particular kind of a pandemic, and now they are trying to, as you said, rightly said, they are trying to re-normalize and they are trying to relax.
And also, people are waiting for this vaccination to come sooner and sooner. But this is what happened.
And one more thing is that the year end is fast coming, Christmas was there, so all these events really propelled people to take up.
Well, while this information may have caused some panic in people, also Dr. Rahul Pandey, Director Critical Care Fortis Hospital, Mumbai, and members of Maharashtra's COVID-19 task force explained that like all these viruses, coronavirus too is a shapeshifter, as we are also seeing it right now. So some genetic changes are consequential, and also researchers have recorded thousands of tiny modifications in the genetic material of the coronavirus as it had hopscotched across the world. Well, the British variant has affected how the virus locks onto human cells and infect them. Well, also, sir, I would like to ask you, as we are hearing a new word called mutation, could you give me a detailed explanation on this?
Definitely, because mutation is something very central to the very life of the virus.
Right.
Virus, if it has to live long, it has to modify itself, adapt itself, change itself, and it has to make itself different. Otherwise, the medication and other factors, other care which we take,
Right.
would definitely arrest its movement and even take its life off. So naturally, not only this particular coronavirus, which is identified as SARS-CoV-2,
Right.
all the other viruses also, they keep changing continuously,
Right.
and that is called a mutation. Mutation is basically a change in the genetic sequence, how the molecules of that particular protein structure are placed together.
So you mean to say it changes the whole structure of it,
Definitely,
of the virus?
protein structure will be
Okay.
changed. Once the protein structure is changed, it becomes a different virus altogether, and it has got a different attitude, and it can be more aggressive
More-
and it can capture better.
More powerful
More
compared to
powerful.
the previous
And
one, I
it will
guess.
deceive people. First
Right.
of all, the very purpose of virus is to deceive men.
Right.
So it will deceive and it will enter our system.
Right.
Its only target is to enter our system.
Right.
So it is trying by all means to enter, and we are trying by all means to avoid that.
Right.
So it's a kind of tussle between these two things.
So also right now, as we are hearing about this new strain coronavirus, does it have the same symptoms or different symptoms compared to the previous one?
Yeah, definitely. I think the symptoms will be almost same. Symptoms will be same, and some variations might be noticed.
Well, these mutations may allow the variant to replicate and transmit more efficiently. Well, everyone are saying also, sir, I would like to ask you, well, before we had symptoms for coronavirus, right? Now it has changed to new strain coronavirus. So does it have the same symptoms or it varies from the previous one?
Yeah, this is a kind of query which most people are carrying with them nowadays, because of late we have been hearing about the new variant which is very lethal, and it has been causing a lot of concern amongst the people, not only in Europe, but they are afraid that it might come to India also.
Well, also that was my next question, because does it affect India also? Because people over here are also equally scared after hearing about the other European countries. Well, they have a lockdown, and this new strain coronavirus is disturbing everyone in the European countries.
As you know, this world has become a global village.
Right.
So any part of the world, if it is affected, definitely it would have an equal kind of effect over the other areas also. So that
Right.
likely chance is always there. And as you have been rightly asking about the symptoms and other characteristic features which are associated with the earlier one
Right.
and the present one, we can say that generally the high fevers, giddiness and other kinds of loss of taste and smell, all this will be associated with this also.
Right. And also we have asymptomatic symptoms, right?
Asymptomatic, that is most deceiving, because if a person has symptoms, it is easier to identify
At least we can identify the
medical care. But if he is silently carrying the virus, that is really very dangerous, and that is the situation which most people don't expect to happen to them, because asymptomatic nature is really very deceiving.
Dangerous,
it
yes.
could be dangerous, and it is really proving to be very, very lethal.
July 2021 and 1, the first variant under investigation in December 2020. It is not uncommon for viruses to undergo mutations, seasonal influenza mutations every year. Variants of SARS-CoV-2 have been observed in other countries such as Spain. Well, this variant includes a mutation in the spike protein. The according also to the researchers, the virus has at least 17 changes of mutation. Well, changes in the spike of the spike protein may result in the virus. Well, it is also said that there are at least 17 changes of mutation.
It has developed a better protein structure to make itself.
So you mean to say this new strain coronavirus will spread more effectively, more fastly compared to the previous one? Well, most mutations are either harmful to the virus or have no effect. A few mutations in this new variant looked as if they could potentially affect how the coronavirus spread. Well, also according to reports, the new variant of SARS-CoV-2 could be up to 70% more transmissible than the old variant.
This is the place where this new variant is probably really lethal, and it is a matter of concern.
And also
across-
70% more transmissible than the previous one.
Definitely. So it has really modified itself so beautifully that it is able to affect, it has increased its level of affecting capacity by 70%. So the virus is very smart and it has been really successful. We have seen that most of the hospitals in England are complaining that there is no vacancy of beds.
Right.
They are getting filled up. And the same is the case with Italy, which is a very nice country, very beautiful place. Now everywhere you are seeing alarming scenes, dangerous situation is there, and people are not in a mood to celebrate even the year end, and they
Yes.
are not able to welcome the new year also.
As they had a lockdown
Yes,
during the
lockdown.
Christmas and New Year season, they don't have a reason now to celebrate it.
Celebrate,
Right.
and everywhere a kind of tragic scenes are being seen very commonly, and the same is spreading to Spain also.
Right.
So in the Europe also you have different parts, and now it is spreading to Spain, which has a geographically very big area.
Right.
So once it settles down in Spain, if it settles down in Spain, it will be really very easy to spread to the other parts. Like
Also, I guess Spain was the most worst affected area during coronavirus,
Exactly.
right?
Statistics have very clearly revealed that Spain was the country which was affected like anything.
Right.
It was it was a conservative place, but it was exposed to the violence of this virus, and now everything is really causing concern, because there is one more thing which is very interesting, which I would like to share with you. There is one more variant of this particular coronavirus, which has been imported from South Africa also,
Right.
from the coastal areas of South Africa, which is equally very dangerous, and it is giving so much of trouble that it is getting deposited in the upper respiratory tract of the person who is affected, thereby not able to give him the enough space to breathe also. Even the ventilators are even being kept in ICU also, is not in a position to really make any good out of it. So such a thing is also happening. This particular British variant, South African variant, and even in India also, in AP they have discovered, in Andhra Pradesh they have discovered a kind of virus, and they have named it as N440K,
Right.
which is also it is different and it is dangerous. So people are worried. This virus simultaneously it is showing up itself in different forms, and the genetic sequence it is able to modify and align so wonderfully that people are getting baffled rather how we should totally contain it, and how we should first of all stop this kind of mutating further. So CCMB and Institute of Virology and all the places, they are really saying, they are conveying the same thing. They are telling that this particular kind of virus variation is really proving to be very difficult, but the thing is that the virus may not, the virus would be in a position, the good news is that the virus will be in a position to be controlled by the vaccines which we are receiving very shortly.
Well, primarily data from the UK shows the virus is spreading quickly in the parts of southern England, displacing other variants that have been circulating for months. And also, but there are still several unanswered questions. Does it make people sicker? Does it mean prolonged treatments? Will vaccines that are underway work? So we do have so many questions, sir. I would like to ask you, this new strained coronavirus is affecting youth right now. So what could be the possible reasons?
Yeah, this is a wonderful question, because the virus, as we can see, is very intelligent. It has got a clear cut of clear set of data within itself that it has not targeted a particular group, and it is really now making all the efforts to exactly hit that particular group.
Right. Before, the virus had contracted only to specifically to
The aged persons
people
and
or
underage.
right.
So it was not targeting the youth, and this particular variant is exactly targeting the youth.
Right.
So that shows that this particular virus has modified itself so intelligently to attack that particular group of people whom it has left out earlier.
Right.
So one has to really think that we are fighting with someone who is also having equal kind of strategies to attack us, and he is also, that particular virus is also clever enough to understand our strategies, our medication,
Right.
our ways of taking care. So it's a really very different and difficult situation we are in, and everyone has to be really very careful, should not relax at any point of time, because
Right.
the real war is there. We are really midway through the war.
Right.
So one should be really conscious about the changes that are happening, both in terms of the mutation as also in terms of the vaccines, which we are getting very.
Which we are eagerly, everyone are eagerly waiting for the
Everyone is
vaccine.
waiting, and even the Serum Institute has said that it has been in a position to give 5 crore doses.
Right.
So such a huge amount of dosage it is able to provide once the government gives it the green signal. So everyone is eagerly waiting, and the vaccine is about to reach our hands, but still the virus is playing its own games.
Right. Also, I would like to ask you, sir, in US, many frontline warriors have given the vaccination. So, will this vaccination help this new strain coronavirus, or even those people will get affected with this?
I don't think, because once the vaccine is injected into a person, it will develop antibodies, antigens.
Right.
So antigens they will release a set of proteins, a wide range of proteins, and amongst that, the protein which is in the spike of this corona, it may be different, but the entire spike is not modified. It may be modified at different points. So when you release the set of antigens which can act across the entire spike and the entire structure of that particular virus, there is every likely chance that the vaccine will win the war.
Right.
Definitely.
I hope so.
Definitely, we are all looking for the same thing.
Doctor says a new strain has so far not been found in India, at least. I think that's a relaxing. Great news. At least as far as anyone knows. Well, the variant, however, has already spread globally. Apart from the UK, the variant has been detected in Denmark, Belgium and Netherlands and Australia, according to WHO. A similar but separate variant has also been identified in South Africa. Now that the world knows to look for the variant, it may turn up into more countries. Well, those were the latest updates in this new strain lead story. Thank you so much, Mr. Sudhakar Sharma, for joining us on live. Keep watching CVR News English. This is Havira Kottapalli signing off.